In a remote corner of southern China, behind concrete walls and steel gates, lies one of the world's largest crocodile farming operations. 40,000 reptilian eyes watch from temperature-controlled pools as workers move between them. This isn't just a farm, it's a facility that transforms these ancient predators into luxury handbags and gourmet meat. Today, we're stepping inside an industry that most people never see, where a single high-quality skin can sell for more than a used car. The largest crocodile farms in China house over 20,000 animals each. These aren't small backyard operations. They're industrial-scale facilities that span dozens of acres. The main breeding facility alone covers an area equal to 15 football fields. Inside, thousands of concrete pools are arranged in precise rows, each monitored by sophisticated temperature control systems. The air here stays at a constant 90 degrees Fahrenheit, with humidity levels matching the crocodile's natural habitat. Massive heaters and humidifiers work around the clock to maintain these conditions. Without this precise climate control, the crocodiles wouldn't breed successfully and the entire operation would fail. The breeding section of the farm is where it all begins. Female crocodiles lay their eggs in specially designed nesting areas filled with plant material and sand. Each female can lay up to 60 eggs at a time. Workers carefully collect these eggs within 24 hours of laying. They mark each egg with the date and mother's identification number using special non-toxic markers. The eggs then go to an incubation facility that looks more like a high-tech laboratory than a farm building. Here, sophisticated incubators maintain perfect temperature and humidity levels. The temperature during incubation actually determines the sex of the baby crocodiles. At 88 degrees Fahrenheit, most eggs develop into females. At 91 degrees, they become males. This allows the farm to control its future breeding population with remarkable precision. Baby crocodiles start their lives in shallow, heated pools. These nursery areas have different sections for each age group. The youngest crocodiles stay in water that's only a few inches deep, with plenty of resting areas where they can climb out. As they grow, they move to progressively larger pools with deeper water. The feeding program is precise and scientific. Young crocodiles eat a specially formulated mix of ground meat, vitamins, and minerals. Workers monitor each feeding session carefully, recording how much each group consumes. This data helps optimize the feeding schedule and ensure healthy growth rates. As the crocodiles get bigger, their diet changes to include more whole foods like fish and chicken. A crucial part of the operation is preventing the spread of disease. Workers disinfect their boots every time they move between different sections of the farm. They also regularly clean and sanitize the pools. Any sick animals are quickly quarantined to prevent outbreaks that could devastate the farm's population. At around 3 years old, the crocodiles reach market size. This is where the operation splits into two distinct processes: meat processing and skin preparation. The processing facility meets international food safety standards. Workers wear full protective gear, including special non-slip boots, gloves, and face masks. The meat processing area looks similar to any modern food processing plant. Workers carefully remove the meat, which is primarily from the tail and body. The best cuts go to high-end restaurants in China and across Asia. These premium portions can sell for up to $50 per pound. The remaining meat goes into products like crocodile sausages or is ground for use in traditional medicines. The skin processing is where the real value lies. A single high-quality crocodile skin can sell for thousands of dollars. The removal process requires incredible skill and precision. Workers use specially designed knives to ensure they don't damage the valuable hide. Even a small cut or scratch can reduce a skin's value by half or more. After removal, the skins go through a complex preservation process. First, workers clean them thoroughly to remove any meat or fat. Then they soak the skins in a salt solution before transferring them to special drying rooms. The temperature and humidity in these rooms are precisely controlled to prevent any damage to the skins during the drying process. Quality control inspectors examine each skin under bright lights, looking for any imperfections. They grade the skins based on size, pattern regularity, and the presence of any marks or scars. The highest grade skins go to luxury fashion houses in Europe, where they become expensive handbags and accessories. While some might question farming these ancient reptiles, these operations actually help protect wild crocodile populations. By providing a reliable source of legally produced skins and meat, they reduce pressure on wild crocodiles. The farms also maintain genetic diversity through carefully managed breeding programs. The farms work closely with wildlife authorities and participate in conservation efforts. They keep detailed records of their breeding lines and regularly exchange breeding stock with other facilities to maintain genetic diversity. Some farms even have programs to release crocodiles into suitable wild habitats, helping restore populations in areas where they had previously disappeared. The crocodile farming industry employs thousands of people in China. Beyond the direct farm workers, it supports jobs in processing, transportation, and sales. The luxury leather industry alone generates hundreds of millions of dollars in revenue each year. Each processed crocodile can generate over $1,000 in total revenue when accounting for both meat and skin sales. Modern crocodile farms are embracing technology to improve their operations. They use computer systems to track feeding schedules, growth rates, and breeding records. Some facilities are even experimenting with artificial intelligence to monitor animal behavior and predict health issues before they become serious problems. But something revolutionary is happening in these farms that could change the entire industry. New genetic research is revealing ways to produce crocodiles with specific skin patterns and colors that could transform the luxury leather market. But that discovery and how it might reshape the future of crocodile farming, that's a story for another day. The next time you see a luxury crocodile leather bag in a store window or order crocodile meat at a restaurant, remember, behind that product lies one of the most sophisticated farming operations in the world.